Oh, there we go. That's good.
You have to like put your thumb on the mesh.
Shouldn't they not shoot it towards the fire? Dave?
Patronos, watch out.
Oh, crap.
Back.
Yeah. Do you want to try one just like holding it?
Hell no. Oh, look, it just dropped right there.
That could land on your head.
Look, there it is, just dropped.
Okay, shine it on
Look,
Rocky.
the fire's going good. Come on, guys. You guys want to stay with the fire? The campfire is just about done.
No.
Okay, go get some s'mores then. Let's go. You'll stay for s'mores, right?
We want s'mores though.
I want s'mores. Patronos. Here, Becky.
That's just a question she's asking. That was a legitimate question, Lexi. Your nickname should be Rocky. I'll call you Rocky.
Oh, this is going well.
Come on, let's light up, bro.
Well, we need a stick to get up towards that. Your dad's never going to find this spot without Patronos.
What is that?
Matchbacks.
I'm gonna take them down, Gabe. You can bring this back up then.
You don't want to come up here and have s'mores?
No, I'll do it inside.
Wait, we need like 1 more minute so we can
You're
keep
out
it on
of luck,
Rocky.
Lex. We're going to eat s'mores up here. Come here, come hang out by the campfire. We got a little fire going. We won't light any more fireworks. We'll do a couple and that's it. But we need it for Theo Ralph to see it.
Oh, frick.
Okay, is it the fireworks that are going?
Wait, hold it still. Like, you bumped it, bro.
What makes you
Ah, Becky.
Watch out.
Expecto!
Rocky, you gotta say it later.
Oh!
Oh, it's scary because like once it like lights, you don't really know when to like, you know.
Yeah.